Hey everybody, Mike Walters with the Stern team at Keller Williams, and I'm back again with my buyer partner, Jennifer Worley. Today we're going to go through common mistakes we see from homeowners in their home in terms of neglect and stuff that will maybe cause you some pain down the road. So that being said, get us kicked off here.
Yeah, using traditional light bulbs. I know new light bulbs are expensive. They don't go out as fast, and they will save you money in the long run. If you're using old light bulbs, they really are kind of a thing of the past.
We're talking incandescents,
yes.
Yeah, those old ones. Okay.
Yep, for sure. And then letting a faucet leak for too long. If you have a leaky tub, toilet, faucet, it needs to be repaired immediately. Water damage is not something to leave unattended.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we're talking to a lot of the bachelors out there. Maybe not.
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Next one.
Forgetting your thermostat. So you should be customizing your thermostat and your temperature based on the season. So if you're not using as much AC or heating, you want to adjust your thermostat. That's going to save you money in the long run.
Yeah, and those
huge bills.
Yeah, and I think those smart thermostats that a lot of people have really probably pay for themselves just in the conservation of energy,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah,
okay.
Definitely worth the investment.
One that I always chuckle at is using the wrong size air filter, right? I mean, typically when your home is built, or if you have an HVAC that's redone, they'll write on the outside what size you need.
Yeah.
Folks, use that size. You go to any Home Depot or Lowe's and you can get that, or go on Amazon and get them in bulk, right? But make sure you're using the right size. And the other aspect of that is make sure when you do put them in, that the airflow arrow is going the right direction.
Right.
Because otherwise it's a moot point. You shouldn't even have a filter in there if you can't do that right. The other one is unadjusted vents. Okay, so we're talking about your HVAC vents, right? Make sure that they're adjusted not only seasonally, but in each room, right? Contrary to what a lot of people think, closing your vents in one room actually puts a lot more pressure on your HVAC unit. Right. So we see that mistake come up. So the last one, at least on my part here, is overwatering the lawn.
Yeah,
right.
That's a big one.
I know we're in a drought in Utah, and a lot of people have chosen to go yellow lawns this summer, but I also see people on the other side. And actually overwatering your lawn will lead to some mold and some fungi and a high water bill. So overwatering your lawn, let's just not do that.
Right. So the other thing people forget is not checking your water heater's temperature.
Oh,
so in the summertime, some people might still be taking scalding hot showers. I don't know who they are, but you really should regulate that water heater temperature. If you're not using hot water in the summertime, lower your temperature. That's going to save you on your gas bill for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Letting leaky windows and doors, like recocking those and making sure you don't have a breeze blowing in or water, condensation on your windows. That's going to save you wear and tear, but then losing, that precious warm air in the wintertime. Yeah. And truthfully, hiring a handyman when it's not necessary. I find that people have a small DIY project that they could easily watch a YouTube video and it walks you through how to fix certain things in your home. It's an easy way to not call a professional every single time you have something small.
Yeah, that's a good point, because I mean, something like YouTube has so many good resources on there. I mean, I changed a 3-prong to a 4-prong on a dryer several years ago, when that probably would have cost me several $100 having somebody come out. So, all right, the last one I have here is neglecting your roof.
Yeah.
Now, we talked in the last episode of making sure that when you do have your roof, hire a professional to either reshingle it or redo it. But take a look at your roof, and take a look at it often, especially as you come in and out of seasons. If you've got a bad windstorm, if you're in a new construction zone, right, you're looking for things that maybe could have hit the roof and caused damage to the shingles. Neglecting your roof will always, over time, lead to water damage, and that becomes very costly. So, I think we've covered all of them, right? And I'm sure the list could be incredibly exhaustive.
Be a lot bigger.
But I think we got a good start in getting everybody thinking around, here are the ways not to neglect on your home. So if you have any other ones you would suggest, throw a comment in the video link below. And as always, if you have any questions about real estate, about the market, or anything else that we've talked about today, give us a call or email us. Our information's on the screen, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Take care.